So,
How does it start, the microwave? With a
so,
heat source?
there's this little thing that travels through the microwave, and it's called a heat source. And they have these little heat waves that go through the electronic to
And what you told me they were called energy
they're called
energy waves.
energy waves that go through the electronic to
To the food.
to the food, so it could cook so it won't be frozen.
So that's how the
cold.
heat source travels.
Yes.
Very good. I love you. I'm proud of you. Don't sleep on Chloe. She's paying attention when we think she's not. Say bye from Chloe.
Bye from Chloe.
Love you.
Love you.